It is very key that we learn how to breathe properly. I highly encourage you to really truly tap into your diaphragm. So all of this breathing is going to be done through our diaphragm, which is right here around our solar plexus. The second part is we want to kind of follow that arching energy of the belly, chest, and moving it up all the way into your head, meaning we focus on a deep saturation on inhale, and this time also deep saturation on exhale. Before we get started, I would like to just simply sit down or lay on your back. And let's also practice with just slow, subtle breathing. Follow the rhythm of 4 to 6 seconds on inhale and 4 to 6 seconds on exhale. Wherever you are, start breathing. Wherever you are, also just settle in. Make sure that you are relaxed and make sure that you follow the belly, chest, head on inhale and same order on exhale. With each inhale, just find that room. With each exhale, let it go slow and subtle, pacing yourself down. Start breathing deeper and deeper and start filling up every cell of your body. With each inhale, invite energy as breath equals energy for your mitochondria, the power supplies in your body. With each exhale, release the stress, letting your body know you are calm, you're okay, you are out of that fight or flight. Wherever you are, this is the time we're gonna start going faster and faster. Deeply in and deeply out. Deeply in and deeply out. Keep on finding that rhythm that serves you and focus on that 4 to seconds on inhale to fill up every cell of your body and 4 to 6 on exhale to release every cell of your body. As you're breathing, feel free to open up and move around your spine. With each exhale, if you want to let it go and relax as a symbolic version of you letting your body know you are relaxed.